I am going to discuss about the diabetes mellitus. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes is such a disease. In fact, it is not a disease, it is a metabolic disorder. That means in diabetes, the pancreas, which is an amphibious organ, is unable to secrete insulin because pancreas has different cells like alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells and somatostatin cells. So in beta cells it secretes insulin, alpha cell secretes glucagon. Both the hormones are responsible for the carbohydrate metabolism. So when someone is suffering from diabetes mellitus, so the pancreas is unable to secrete which hormone? It is known as your insulin. Insulin is secreted from beta cells of Langerhans, islets of Langerhans. What is the role of the insulin? It carries the sugar and takes it into the cells. So in the cells, in the form of the sugar, in the form of what? In the form of your ATP, it is utilized, and that ATP it conserves in the energy. What is ATP? ATP, your adenosine triphosphate. This is all about the diabetes. Means general concept of your physiology of your pancreas. So when there is a shortage of what? Pancreas, when the pancreas secretes less amount of insulin or no insulin, at that time the sugar, even if it is in the blood, that sugar is not being utilized inside the cells. That's why we say it is a diabetes. So what are the signs and symptoms of diabetes mellitus? That is what is that? Polyphagia, polydipsia and polyuria. Polyphagia means you are hungry, you will feel more hungry, the hunger will increase. Then polydipsia is thirst will increase, and polyuria is urine also increases. So repeatedly, frequently you have to go to the toilet for urination. So these are the signs and symptoms, the basic signs and symptoms of your diabetes mellitus. So how can you manage? See, there are some receptors in the muscles like GLUT1, GLUT2, GLUT3, GLUT4. All the receptors, they receive the sugar through insulin. Insulin takes and the receptors they receive. That's why first you have to practice the exercises. Because if you practice exercises, your power yogic exercise, power mutasana Sri 1, PM 2 Sri, abdominal exercise, Surya Namaskar. So whatever will happen, definitely the receptors, the efficiency of your receptors will increase and they will receive what? The insulin, through insulin, that is sugar, and they will conserve it in the skeletal muscles in the form of ATP. These are the role of your asana. Pranayama also is helpful. Apart from that, diet. Diet means small diet you have to take. Small food. Not at a time you have to take lots of food. And you have to restrict some fruits like ripen, mango, ripen, banana. So what are the fruits one can take? That is pomegranate, guava. All these are acceptable. Cytric fruits are acceptable and one can take in a regular basis. Apart from that, the lukewarm water is advisable to drink for a diabetic patient. So one can change the lifestyle and asana, pranayama, yoga and food habit. Apart from that, according to doctor's advice, one can lead a healthy and peaceful life. This is all about your diabetes mellitus.